Guys, what's up? Welcome to another episode of the vlog. My name is Ondiro Ganga. If you're new to the channel, please like this video, it goes a long way, and also hit the subscribe button. I'd like to see you more often. Today we're doing something fun. We are going to FUFU Festival, the first of its kind in Ghana.
You look like a guy who could treat me right. Boy, take a chance, will you let me ride? I could be the best thing in your life.
So my name is Ben from Fufu Fellowship. We're essentially taking Fufu global. We're trying to market Fufu. We're trying to make Fufu as popular as it should be, so people can fellowship over a nice bowl of Fufu and network and have a good time. That's all about it.
So I am no pro at West African dishes, but at least as you can see, and as I saw, preparing fufu is quite a long process. You know, you start by pounding and mashing cassava and plantain together, and you do it and do it and do it until you get a better consistency. Can you see the arms of the guy who's pounding the fufu though?
Fufu Fellowship came about because a few friends decided to take a road trip outside Accra to eat fufu, and after that it became a monthly activity. And then we decided, why don't we formalize this, get an Instagram page, and then make it official so everybody knows that we love fufu. So it's been about 8 to 9 months, and then end of year we decided, well, everybody's having something at the end of the year. Instead of doing a fufu party for just ourselves, let's make it public, and then everybody can enjoy it, because there are so many fufu lovers out there.
Well, the beauty about food here is this soup. These soups, like when you drink them, they're warm, they're fuzzy, they're delicious, they're spicy, they hug you, they comfort you, they keep you warm. I don't know, but that soup, the soups here are magic. Comment down below, what's your favorite soup to eat fufu with? For me, I like fufu with light soup, that's light chicken soup. Oh, delicious.
So far it's been great, to be honest. I'm overwhelmed by the turnout. I think we underestimated the amount of lovers of fufu we have, but it's going to get bigger and better as we go by.
Well guys, people were just walking, and you pick whatever soup you want to be served, and when you've decided what you want to be served, they serve you. And I realized here you can blend different things as you want, so you can have fish and meat and add a little bit of chicken. If you want snail, you can add it. And I know that maybe you might not be doing this in your country, but let me tell you, before you judge, it's the most delicious thing.
So we've got fufu. Fufu is the flagship meal today, and we've got 6 different variety of soups with different components. We've got fish, we've got snail, we've got crab, we've got bush meat, we've got goats, we've got salmon, we've got tuna. I mean, it's a big mix of a lot of different things.
Look at that bowl. You see, I want to be that lady when I grow up. No shame, absolutely whatsoever. Go with the biggest bowl, let them serve you. Have a great time. I mean, can you see how they're eating? They're probably enjoying it. And initially when I came, I would be like, oh, the soup is a little bit too much. But now, like just enjoy, like.
Not here, what they are missing is not just the delicious food and the soup, but they are missing the good vibes and the energy that's out here, you know. Yeah.
Guys, I hope you enjoyed Fufu Festival as much as I did. The way I eat is not very, I'm yet to master the West African way of eating it, so that's why I didn't force myself eating it. But I had an absolutely fantastic time at Fufu Festival, the first edition. Hoping to see you at the second one next year, hopefully. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. It helps a lot. And you can subscribe. I'll see you again in the next video. Bye, guys.